Alright, I've got some samples. This is obviously my Ankh design. I can't remember which one the silver is. This is definitely Raven on a writing desk. And then I've also got the spiderweb with a V-neck. So let's see if these fit me. Okay, not a huge fan of the giant Ankh. I don't like how it landed. I like everything else though. Wish I had a better bra on. But, good. But yeah, polyester spandex mix. I think I would put the Ankh like here. I'm going to redesign it, and re-release it. But everything else I like. And yeah, definitely fits. I forgot this one was reversible. I like that a lot better. It's still a little weird placement. I still think it needs to go here. But I am more likely to wear this than with the big Ankh on my back. Okay, and see my beautiful face, yes. I was going to wear a hat, and I totally never put it on. So you guys get my poofy fro. So, Raven on a writing desk dress does not fit. No. And I'll take a video of it lying on the floor to show you why. This does, though. I don't remember what it is. But I like it. Not reversible. Still a poly spandex blend, but I like it. Yeah, that's a fold because boobs are weird. Bad bra. But no, I'm digging it. And I keep focusing on my gut and not my face, but that's fine. So, this fucking thing. I knew as soon as I pulled it out of the bag, it wasn't going to fit me. I put it on, I got it, my arms in, and it wouldn't go over my breasts. So I didn't take a video of that for you guys, and I'll show you part of the problem. Well, one, it's got these scrunchy things here. It's got this weird elastic thing going on the side to scrunch it. Two, it is not A-line at all. And yeah, A-line or go home. Because I'm fat. So it will probably fit someone who is hourglass shaped, but not pear shaped like I am. So there we have it. 2 wins. Well, a total win, a kind of win, and a fail. So this will be getting auctioned off to my Bold and Curvy group, to whoever wants it, and the other 2 will get tweaked and maybe end up in the store.